Here is how to sign up for ChurchVault in under 2 minutes. Start at SeeMyChurch.org. This is the home for every church on the platform. Click Get Started. 4 plans will appear. The starter plan is free forever. No card needed. No trial expiry. Essential costs 9,900 Naira per month. Professional is 19,900. Premium Pro adds budget planning at 29,900. Pick a plan and click Start Free. You can always upgrade later. The form takes under 1 minute. Church name, your name, a valid email address. That is all. Submit the form. A confirmation page will appear. Your dashboard will be ready within minutes. Log in. Add your bank accounts. Record your first income or expense. The full setup takes about 10 minutes. Start free today at SeeMyChurch.org. The link is in the description below.